the Karnataka tussle that seems to be also reaching Delhi. As far as the inside scoop that now we are picking up with regards to the camps that are now visible within Karnataka Congress government, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his deputy D.K. Shivkumar held a crucial meeting in Delhi with the party high command. Now, sources are to be believed that with the Bihar Assembly elections scheduled for November this year, the central leadership has advised the Karnataka Congress to maintain status quo and set aside their internal differences until the high-stake political battle is over. As the message has come in from the High Command is clear that bury the hatchet, work together, project unity, especially in the wake of national political challenges. That has been coming in as far as the advice that is now concerned, where we have seen these multiple visits right from the leadership of Karnataka Congress coming down to Delhi, meeting the leadership here in Delhi. It seems that the main focus and the agenda of what is being now given by the High Command of Congress Party is asking its two leaders to maintain peace and to put up a united front as far as any internal challenges could also may hamper when it comes to Congress Party and its projections there as far as the upcoming elections are concerned. Of course, the first political battle that it will be now facing would be in the state of Bihar. So put aside all your internal differences, show up a united front seems to be the advice that is now coming from the Congress Party High Command to the two warring leaders there. Of course, this is something that D.K. Shivkumar has said, where he has had multiple of the MLAs rallying behind him, saying that people can say what they want, but the ultimate and the final decision would be taken up by the party High Command. So through sources, what we are learning that the party High Command is of the opinion that they need to stay together and put up a united front. So Imran, does it resolve as far as the differences between the two top leaders in Karnataka Congress?
Well, as of right now, the crisis has been tided over is what we can say, because the High Command has told them to put up a united front because the elections are coming, especially a crucial election like Bihar, which can be in November. In fact, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah yesterday speaking in Delhi said that there is a CM post is not vacant, and even D.K. Shivkumar alludes to that. He also went the majority of MLAs are not in support of D.K. Shivkumar, but they are supporting me, very clearly indicating that he is the boss and he's running the show there, and the MLAs are in support of him. Despite many of the MLAs coming out and saying that D.K. Shivkumar should be the next Chief Minister. In fact, he won a serious waded into the controversy. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah responding to that said that a couple of MLAs might have spoken, but the majority are so in support of him, very clearly saying that he will not relinquish the power. And in fact, he went on to say there is no pact of 2.5 years, as earlier assumed in the political circles of Karnataka when the Congress government came to power. So he's putting all these speculations to rest, saying that he will continue for the next 5 years. And in fact, majority of MLAs are in support of him, and only a few MLAs
now complete his term, because he seems to be asserting that, claiming that all is well and he will be the chief minister for the remainder of the term as well. But there have been hectic parleys and meetings that has been taking place back and forth from Karnataka to the national capital, and this visit to Delhi also comes at the time when there has been growing demands from certain Congress MLAs seeking a change in the leadership in the state of Karnataka. Let's listen in.
Discussion taken place. That is my reply. Shri D.K. Shivkumar himself said it, that there is no vacancy of the CM post.
Sir,
Again you are asking the same question in a different words.
Sir, rotational Chief Minister formula, sir, if there was any.
See, my answer is whatever decision taken by the High Command, both of us will follow, will obey.
So Chief Minister Siddaramaiah there indicating that he'll continue as far as the remainder of the term is now concerned in the state of Karnataka, as there is no vacancy for the Chief Minister's post in the state. We'll get you more on that back after a short break.